This is the making of a 48 by 48 by 60 inch pallet cover. We start with a 48 inch roll, as you see here, and there are two wings here that are 48 by 60. Okay, Jonathan, go right ahead. So you're pulling this out how far?
14 feet.
14 feet, which is the dimension of what?
The height.
Height.
2.
Height times 2 plus the top.
Plus the width, yeah.
Okay. So you're putting the wings in the middle, and you have the table marked to show you exactly where to do it.
Yes. And I'm taping it at the height, so at 60 inches here.
Taping it at the height. Okay. So this whole table is marked so he knows exactly how far to pull it out, where to cut it, etc. So now we're taping on the second wing on the other side. So here's when you're folding up the 12 inches, correct?
Yes. And there's no need to measure.
No need to measure, just do it to the crease, right?
Bottom crease, yes.
Yep.
Here. last one.
Okay, the last fold, another 12 inches. Why are you doing that?
This is so I can tape it all the way across on the bottom.
Okay,
So it tapes the whole thing evenly all the way down.
okay,
And I always leave at least 4 inches of overlap in the corner.
you mean of tape?
Yeah.
Okay,
And you always make sure the tape about the same thing, about 4 inches
okay,
on this side of overlap.
got it.
Tape over. That way
Okay,
ends are strong.
so now you're folding directly at the crease,
Directly at the crease.
because this is 48 by 48 by 60.
Yes.
You do not need to fold separately from the crease. It'll come right to the middle.
Done?
Okay, and then he will put it in there the opposite way so they piece together. And that's 8 minutes to make one.